Ritko liarero nigo OMORAI BWENSE hamo ni wizara y'obochanu kubwatarana n'ikiombe ky'obochanu imeyense kya World Health Organization nigo yabwatoka chigari chyokomenyo kya abarwaire gochiase chinyagitari AOAO. Chingaki ekyo boigo nigo OMORAI BWENSE abole wizara y'obochanu ko babango asokoenike buna abang'ina bebwatiranite ngonyora bare obokoreri bwango muwaziri w'obochanu Eden Duale nigo ainike buna wizara yae nigo yerwete kubwatirana n'ikiombe ky'obochanu imeyense World Health Organization kweneke buna ngwikirania bare obokonyi gochia ase abananchi mulikito Debora Kirubo na mange.
OMORAI BWENSE William Ruto gakubwatirana n'ikiombe ky'obochanu imeyense WHO nigabwatoka chigari chyokwemukya abarwaire gochia ase chinyagitari AOAO ekyo chigo chia kweneke obokoreri obuya gochia ase abananchi anene mono abang'ina bebwatiranetie.
Kenya's commitment to universal health coverage rests on a simple but powerful truth. Every life matters. Today, we reaffirm that commitment by strengthening the partnership that protect our people and protect our region. Kenya and WHO have stood together. Because of this collaboration, fewer lives are lost, recoveries are faster, and confidence across the continent continues to grow. The advanced life support ambulances will be handed over to all our 7 national referral facilities and the National Emergency Response Center of the Ministry of Health. In addition, the counties of Elgeyo Marakwet, Marsabit, Siaya, Samburu, and Tana River will benefit from similar vehicles that will support reproductive and maternal health services.
Ukwana chinga kechyo nigorutate babuna ondetayo gweneta gosirio begima bwaye chinga kichyo koibora usimwana onde bwensi gosirio begima bwaye kera koiborwa Ruto nigobona nyeborie wizara y'obochanu ko babango mono asoko eneke buna abang'ina bebwatiranetie nkonyora barobokoreri bwango.
No woman should die while giving birth, and no baby should be lost to preventable causes. The Minister of Health is under firm and strict instructions to deliver rapid, measurable reductions through real-time reporting of every case, timely clinical audits, and immediate corrective action at facilities and at county levels.
Omowaziri bw'obochanu Eden Duale nigatebe wizara yaye nigojerwete kegima kubwatirana n'ikiombe ky'obochanu imeyense gya WHO koenekya ngwikirania bare obokonyi gochia ase abananchi.
And what you have launched is a testimony of our partnership and our collaboration and our very strong membership as a country to WHO.
Debora Kirubo, Ensoko TV.